Everybody, today is September 18th, 2011, Sunday, and today I'm going to just discuss, well, once again, random things, but again, it's related to technical stuff. So, I mentioned in my last video that I had a broken, not a broken, but, well, what happened was the piece of the phone charger that's plastic and the little metal thingy bobber broke off. So I'm able to just plug the plastic contact into the phone and do it. But unfortunately, when I went and bought a cheap replacement off of eBay, I got the wrong one. I can tell it works for like an LG phone. Like, for example, my brother-in-law has one of those LG Optimuses, and it will work for his phone. It won't work for my Aris. So, yesterday I went to Walmart, and looked around, and they did not have any for the Aris. So, I'm going to have to maybe try another Walmart, otherwise I'm going to be out of luck. And here comes a kitty wanting to get attention. Oh, look, it's Dominic. It's Dominic again. Hi, bud. There you go. It's Dominic. Dominic, ladies and gentlemen. Hi. Oh, yes, kitties. Always wanting to get in on my videos. Anyway, when I was at Walmart yesterday, I returned the iHome IP40. I have a video of it up on my channel. I annotated the video to say that I no longer own it because it very quickly after I returned after I replaced the battery, it turned into a piece of crap. And it wouldn't play the radio. The display kept fading, and I reset it in order to make that video, but as of Friday, even when I plugged in the iPod, it made the iPod sync noise over and over, and I took out the iPod before I barbecued the iPod, so took it back and went and got this. It's the Sony Dream Machine, and I'll do an in-depth video, or maybe I won't, because it doesn't have an iPod dock. It doesn't have anything to do with an iPod. It's just a basic alarm clock. Also picked up a new cordless phone because the display was going, and also picked up the can of compressed air for cleaning up computers, and an iTunes gift card. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. I also yesterday I went to a garage sale and picked up a DVD copy of The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. So that should be pretty interesting. I've never seen that movie, but it seems interesting enough. I've never seen the movie. I've never read the book, but hey, it seems interesting enough, right? Okay, just in case people are wondering, I do have an Xbox 360, because some of you saw my Grand Theft Auto videos. I do have an Xbox 360. I do have Xbox Live. I do not have it set up to do online. I have just never bothered to buy one of those cards and re-up my Xbox Live online. I might do it one of these days because I've got some friends who are saying, well, if you do re-up on Xbox Live, I'll gift you some cards and we can race online sometime and play Forza 3 or whatever. So yeah, that's cool. I think maybe someday I'll make a video of the games that I do have. But right now my go-to game is Grand Theft Auto 4. That's the one I've been playing a lot. So yeah. Yeah, my Sunday was, we went to church. It was the beginning of the Sunday school, and I'm an usher in my church. We ushered today, my dad and I. Went to lunch, went to Qdoba with my sister and my nephew, which was awesome. And for those of you who don't know, Qdoba is a fast food Mexican. If you've ever heard of Chipotle, Qdoba is like Chipotle. It's different and it's good. I mean, some people will prefer Chipotle to Qdoba and Qdoba to Chipotle. And I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't say they're about the same. I mean, they both have really good food. It's just that Chipotle, for some reason, every part of their restaurant seems to be made out of corrugated, shiny metal, and it is a freaking echo chamber in there. It is so freaking loud when you go into one of those restaurants. It's like you absolutely have to repeat yourself when you go in there. Qdoba, not so much. And Qdoba's a lot quieter. But, hey, they're both good restaurants. If you like, fast food Mexican, it's better than, say, Taco Bell. And also today, went to go visit my grandma for a little bit. My grandma's in her 90s. She kind of had a little bit of a fall. She lives alone. She's got a caregiver that comes 3 days a week, but other than that, she still lives alone. Still living in her own house, so, God bless her. And, she had a fall, but she's okay. So, yeah, basically, it's just a quiet Sunday evening. It's 8 p.m., a little bit after 8 p.m., so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my night. I might, save the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy for tomorrow, because I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit drained tonight. Oh, and by the way, I just discovered, through a friend, an awesome cure for hiccups. They told, a friend told me to take a tablespoon of sugar and just totally eat it. So I measured out a tablespoon of sugar and the trick is, I guess you're supposed to swallow it straight. Just swallow it straight, nothing else. Down the bat, and voila, I've just had wicked hiccups off and on all day. But I guess if you swallow 1 tablespoon of sugar, white sugar, you'll get rid of the hiccups. So yeah, that's an update. And I'm going to dinner with a friend of mine who also happens to be a YouTuber. I didn't ask permission for her to if I could use mention her name in her YouTube username in my vlog. So I'm not going to mention her, but she's a good friend of mine. I went to junior high with her, so we're going to have dinner with her because we get to hang out about once a month, which is cool. So yeah, just yet another random vlog. And thanks for watching, and have a good one.